Replacing this battery can be tricky, not just with installation, but choosing the right battery that will fit. So I'll show you the easiest method with a full step-by-step replacement, including which battery to use and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Loosen the positive clamp with this nut here, but we'll come back to this terminal just now. Then for the bracket, loosen these two nuts. And then also this bolt on the strut mount. Now we'll remove one cable from the positive terminal to open up this space. And then remove the secondary bracket. You might have a stopper installed here to fit the same size 60 amp hour battery, but if you remove it, you can install the 70 amp hour version. I'll share some info on these sizes a bit later. The battery we're installing is just temporary, but 15mm lower in height, so you'll see shortly why choosing the wrong one might not fit properly. There are, however, Fiesta models that use this battery, so if you're doing this yourself, you might want to have your measuring tape ready. The first challenge with a lower battery is that the terminal won't seat properly because the cable will catch on the side. So in this case, we had to twist it forward. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then secondly, there's quite a bit of space between the bracket and the battery, so it won't be secured properly. Before we look at the battery sizes, tighten all the bolts and nuts and finish off with a negative terminal. To match the original battery size, the 60 amp hour version should have these dimensions, but as mentioned earlier, the 70 amp hour version can also be used. This vehicle had the engine light on before the battery change, so you shouldn't have any warning lights. No radio code is necessary and one touch window should still work. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.